Good morning. I am teaching you business study class 11. Here today I'll revise this chapter 2nd, that is forms of business organization. So first of all, forms of business organization. So we have 5 types of forms of organization like sole proprietorship, Hindu undivided family business, partnership, cooperative society, joint stock company. So we know that sole proprietorship is a single entity run by a single individual, owned and managed and controlled by individual. Okay, profit and loss he'll bear his own. Then its features: easy formation, unlimited liability, sole risk bearer. Okay, merits: quick decision making, direct incentive, ease of formation and closure. Okay, same as next Hindu undivided family. Here it refers to the form of organization wherein the business is owned and carried on by the members of Hindu undivided family. Okay, the features of Hindu undivided family are formation governed by the Hindu Cession Act 1956. Limited liabilities members have except Karta and totally controlled by the management, controlled by the Karta only. Fine. Next, partnership. According to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is a relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all and any one of them acting for all. Now the features of partnership: formation with an agreement between partners, unlimited liability, risk and profit bearing is an agreed ratio, decision making and controlled by the partners, so on. Okay, merits: ease of formation closure, more funds, maintenance secrecy, balanced decision making, sharing of risk. Fine. So these are the merits of partnership. Now types of partners: active partner, secret partner, partners by estoppel, sleeping partner, nominal partner and partners by holding out. If we talk about the partnership deed, it is an written agreement which specify the terms and conditions that govern the partnership. Okay, partnership must be registered. If the partnership is not registered, then there is not a chances of taking case file against each other among the partners. Then cooperative society. So cooperative society is a voluntary association of a person who join together with the motive of welfare of the members. Features of cooperative societies are voluntary membership, limited liability, service motive, separate legal entity, control on democratic pattern. Fine. And merits of cooperative societies are equality in voting status, stable existence, support from the government, limited liability, economy in operations, ease of formation. Fine. Then types of cooperative societies: consumer cooperative society, producer cooperative society, marketing, farmer, credit. So thank you and have a nice day. Please